Hello everyone. Today we have the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure combo. I have been looking forward to this camera for a long time, and in this video we will do the unboxing thing, check what's included and set it up, and I will also share my first experience if you are planning to buy this camera. This video shall help you decide whether to buy the DJI Action 4 in 2026. So this is the basic packaging. This was the box which was given by Flipkart, and this is the main box. This is something which you have the price and everything. It is the batch of January 2026. This is the box from front. Mention that extension rod. You have 3 batteries. You have a battery case. This is the overall box. Everything is mentioned here. What you get in the box and what you not. So let's just unbox it. It was actually what we can say, Flipkart open box delivery, so we have unboxed it actually, but that is the thing. So this is not the standard combo, this is the adventure combo, and also there are many features here. That the sensor is 1x1x3 inch sensor. We have the 4K recording, then we have rock solid stabilization thing, we have waterproof design, we have long battery mode. As we have the adventure combo, so we have extra 3 batteries and a charging dock also. So in this box, let's keep that aside, we got 3 things. What we have, one is, I think it is accessories, another is camera itself, and the extension rod which we have. So let's go one by one. First we will open the camera box, and in this camera box we have 2 things. One is this case. I'll just quickly open it out. In this we have the case, this 2 dockers. I think it is for mount thing. Then this is the magnetic mount. This is the case. I think it is pretty much solid case, which makes it waterproof, or I think it is waterproof already. So okay, so this is the adhesive thing which we have. This is the camera itself. Let's just unbox it. Let's go. Okay, that looks pretty much clean. Okay, so this is your camera, Action 4. Let's just peel off this thing. Okay, if you see the camera, but let's just keep the camera aside for a few minutes and just see what's actually in this adventure combo thing. Accessory box, some thing to keep the moisture aside. Okay, we have a Type C to Type C cable for charging, I guess, charging and also sharing things. We have another this thing, magnetic mount. Then what's in my box? Let's see. Let's pull it out. Okay, we have some documentation. We have stickers from DJI company. We have some documentation which we will definitely not read it. And what we have, this is the charging dock, which what I was talking about. 3 charging dock, 3 batteries will be there for this DJI. Let's just pull one battery out of it for now. Okay, that was strong, pretty much strong. Okay, and this is, I think, the screw tightener which we get, and this is, I don't know what is this, lens protector or something. I have to see this. But I will say the build quality of this thing, I don't know how you are seeing this thing, but it is very small, very small. If you see, this is my hand, this is the action camera. What is the size of it? Let me just take the battery. So battery setup here, you have to open it up. This is the battery, and this goes like this. Right. Let's go. You have the tick sound, but it doesn't. Okay, there's a tick sound now. Okay, let's just boot it up first. First boot up. Okay, we have two screens here. If you just boot it up, we have selection thing. Okay, we should, yeah, English, and it is saying, just let me set up this and I will come back to you. So this camera is set up. We have this thing, if you can see. This camera feel very sturdy, I will say, and this have a very premium build. I will just focus on the one. The display is very good. You have to just click on it and you can able to zoom to the camera. What all we have, we will have the pro settings where we can just let me change the ISO so you can see. Okay, so in pro mode you can change the POV, you can have the priority, image adjustment, and what all things. I don't have SD card right now. I have ordered a, what we can say, Sandy Extreme Pro 256 GB for this. So until now I will just show you what all settings we get. We get 2.7K, 4K, 4K 64. So we have all the formats here, and it goes up to 120 FPS in 4K. Okay, I think I will mostly choose this thing, 4K 60 FPS. Okay, no SD card, I know, no SD. Less, but yeah, this is the lens, this is the camera. You get, just read the brightness. It says Action 4. You have another display here, which is premium, I would say. They said it is OLED, like we have a brightest display, I will say. It I can see it very clearly. I will just set up all things, insert the SD card in it, and I will show you. Just wait a minute. I will just show you how it is in the case. How it looks. This is the thing we have just set it up in this is protection case. I think not even the camera, but the protection case is also very sturdy enough. It will save the camera. Okay, so we are talking about the first impression. I will say it is very premium. We have all the necessary accessories which we want for in action camera, in for vlogging. Or first impression, I will say it's quite premium, quite sturdy. Action 4 DJI, and this is the thing. I will add some clips of from this when driving, when I get the SD card, but I will say it's quite sturdy. The case is also there, which is very good. I will just show you the magnetic mount. Okay, just a, so this is how it will attach to a helmet. We have the magnetic mount here. We have magnetic mount on a helmet, and it is attached. I think, yeah, now it is attached. I'll just show you the setup. This will be the setup. So we can have this thing. If you can see, this is pretty cool, I would say. And we have a good POV. I don't know. You can see, but yeah, I will just, let's switch to, I will just set it up. I will have a memory card in it, and let's switch it up. But first, before that, I will say this is a stick. This is very sturdy stick. I will just open it. Thing. You can attach this to any mount, and your action camera will mount here. Your action camera will mount here. Sorry, and you can attach this to any extension you have. Let's just remove. So this is the stick you can use for vlogging and shooting content. I think this stick extends. Yeah, it extends. It is quite sturdy, proper metallic build. Just on it. I don't know if you are able to see this, but it is very long, very much long, like this. See this. I don't know it's safe or not to use this long, but yeah, it is sturdy. I think this length is okay to use. The grip is very solid. I will just show you how it looks. So we have two of this magnetic mounts we get in this Adventure. The screws, we just have to tighten it up like this. You have to just get, and it will just stick to it. I think it is not stick from this side. Now it's done. So this will be your vlogging setup. If you like to vlog, I will just retract it to hold. Yeah. Now it's rock solid. The magnetic thing, I don't know, it is very 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 good. It looks premium. And how it detach, like you just have to both at one time, and the magnetic thing will detach. Let's go off. Let's just switch to DJI POV. So this is, it is all right. Yeah, so this is the cockpit view you will get if you bought this action camera Action 4. This is quite wide, I would say, and this is very good. I will attach the clip. I don't have any mic right now. The voice you are listening to is from the DJI Action 4 itself. So when I will drive it will not take a good voice, but I can definitely show you how the video quality is while we are on the go. Let's go. So what you have seen is the ultra wide of this camera, and the D-Log 10-bit was enabled in this. It was a 4K 60 fps recording. So I have attached multiple clips for your better understanding how the quality and the output of this camera is. We have this camera is giving very good, what we can say, output. I have also used the color correction, color retention thing from the DJI Mimo app, which we have in your Android or Apple thing. So this was the experience for the camera. I would say this is by far one of the best camera in the budget. If you are having budget of around 30,000, then the Adventure combo is for you. You get three batteries, one charging dock, one camera, one stick to hold and use for it vlogging, and you have this two magnetic mounts and everything. This is the best. The low light is best. The what we can say, the output is best. The stabilization is best. It has many of mode, rock steady and everything. So I would say go for it. Okay, son. I will see you in another vlog or another video. Bye bye, students. Bye bye.